So guys, this is the first room, in fact the first bedroom of this house, which I converted into my beauty room. And this is the overview. Let me quickly give you guys an overview of this cute little room that I styled. I always wanted a theme which circles around pink and white and a lot of vintage. So as you enter from this door right here, let me just shut this door because I can hear some noises. Yes, better. So as we enter, this is my first dressing table or a vanity that you guys can see, and that's me. Hello. Yeah, hi. So this is my first vanity. Let me first show you guys. This is this huge mirror that I got made, and I got these lights fixed for this mirror, for both the mirrors, the one at the back as well. Everything in this room is customized. I did not buy anything online, or I did not buy anything ready-made. I got everything made the way I wanted it to look like. So this is my first vanity. We have drawers, 3 drawers in here. I've just kept all my basically hair accessories and other random stuff in these drawers. And I just made this particular table as my workstation. So guys, let me show you one by one what all I have. So just collected a lot of bits and baubles from everywhere. This cute little dog is from Hamleys. Some flowers. This zipper bottle where I keep my water is from MINISO. Then I just DIY'd some books, like some old books, and I just got these not little but cute covers, gift papers, and some lace, ribbon lace, and I just covered them in these cute little pink covers and made it look like nice and vintagey and going with the theme. And then just random stuff. These frames are from a store called XIMIVOGUE Korea. It's a new store that has opened up in Ambins Mall in Gurgaon. It has some really amazing cute stuff, very affordable as well. And then some of my perfumes are here. You guys know I'm obsessed with fragrances, and I have pretty much a lot of variety. Chance by Chanel has been one of my all-time favorite. I love Victoria's Secret fragrances. I'm loving the Swiss Army fragrance recently, and a lot more. Then I have this wireless keyboard, also in pink and white, from MINISO, with a mouse. Sorry for the noises guys, I'm shooting this video at night and still there is construction going on our lower floor, so can't help. I'm really sorry guys, it's always construction. Then one more cute photo frame, and then I have this really nice ceramic tray in which I have placed some stationery, and I tried to get everything in pink and white from some local stationery stores, some from MINISO. So you get a lot of cute stuff at MINISO, at XIMIVOGUE Korea, all these stores. And then I have some books as well. Now these are my wardrobes. We also got these made at home from a carpenter. Now I have organized all my jewelry in here. If you guys want me to do a jewelry tour video, or like how I organize my jewelry, leave me in the comments. Oops. So leave me in the comments below. I'll do a jewelry organizing tour video. I'm not getting into the depth of jewelry organizing because otherwise this video is going to get too long. But if you guys want me to do a detailed video on how I organize my jewelry, leave me in the comments. Now coming on to this couch, so many of you guys have asked me on Instagram about this couch. So this is also what we picked up from a store, and we got it from an exporter in Gurgaon. He was selling it off at a very great price, but the fabric of the couch was something else earlier. So I got this fabric and I wanted something in vintage, so I got this beautiful printed fabric from decor, and we got it upholstered. And then I just got these cushions made of the same fabric so that it just matches with the couch. Then I got this sequence cushion, and then I got this really cute cushion. This is from a store called Democracy Home. This store is in Gurgaon that I know of, and you get different colors and it looks so pretty. This side, that's my old makeup vanity for my professional use. I just kept it here. Kindly excuse that box, it's just lying there for the time being. It came in my PR package. Then I have these pretty lilies and orchids placed in a basket. I really like to organize my stuff in baskets. So yes, that's that. And now coming onto this side is my another dressing table. which I so love. This is my main vanity. All my makeup is here. So everything is customized, everything we got made. Now we got this made from Kirti Nagar. It's a very popular furniture market in Delhi, in Kirti Nagar. So this guy called Sahiba Furniture, he made it for us. Though his work is excellent, very good quality, very sturdy, but he delayed sending our furniture like nobody's business. It was so annoying. I was really not happy with his service, with his commitment levels. He delayed it so much. But anyways, moving on, I've just organized all my beauty blenders in this crystal jar. It just adds so much of element to the dressing. Some fur pom-poms, some vintage accessories, my lipsticks, all my MAC lipsticks and my L'Oreal lipsticks, a mirror. Then this is my Jeffree Star nude lipstick collection. Let me just keep it here and show you guys the drawer. All my blushes, some lipsticks, lip liners are here. Like, I've organized everything as per the makeup. These are all my concealers. Okay, all my concealers and cream contours and my compact powders in this drawer. Kindly excuse, that's a dustbin. Okay, then this drawer has all my foundations. So all my high-end foundations and my drugstore foundations and a bit more that side. And then this has some more blushes, and this kit has all my lip liners. So if you guys want me to do a detailed makeup organizing video, I would love to do it. I'm just going a little quick right now because otherwise this video is going to be too long. Then all my brushes. Now this is like my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works. I love this candle so much. I have burned it only once or twice because I have a lot of candles in the home. I got this really cute polka dot mirror from Big Bazaar. It is so cool. And then I got these bits and bobbles. This says hello. It's from Chumbak. These jars are also from Chumbak. It says you are amazing. And then I got this, during Christmas. If you guys can see these lines, it's because of the light. Let me just switch off the light. The vanity lights are causing these lines in the video. Let me just switch it off. Alright. Yeah, so guys, those lines are not coming now. It was coming because of the vanity light mirror. Maybe, I don't know, the lens was not picking it up the right way. Anyways, moving on. So as I said, that this is the band which I got from MINISO during Christmas. I love it, so cute. And then yeah, these mugs, wake up and makeup, something which is so relevant to us. I got this off Decor Cart. I love that store, the Decor Cart. You must check it out. And I got some Wet n Wild brushes and my unicorn. You can see, oh my god, these are so cute. And some colorful pencils, unicorn pens, some more brushes in this cute cup, also from the Decor Cart. And this jar, also from Decor Cart. And then again, I placed some of my perfumes. And then I got this beautiful pink platter, also from Decor Cart. And I just decorated it with bits and bobbles like these pom-poms. All my lip glosses, beautiful pink marble mug, also from Decor Cart. The store Decor Cart is in Galleria Market in Gurgaon, and they also have an online store. You can check that out. And then I have my other cutie, also from Hamleys, a tissue packet. Yeah, some lipsticks, some of my favorite Victoria's Secret body mists. So yeah, this is what I get from my travels, during my travels, or my husband gets it for me. Then I have this cute little tray which also has a cutie toy. I love toys, I'm a kid at heart. And then I have these really cute baskets which has my nail paints. Both these baskets are from Amazon. And then I have this really pretty candle, also from Decor Cart. I love the jar in itself. It's so pretty, so cute. So basically guys, I had this thing in my mind that I'll do everything in pink and white theme, and everything has to be very cute, very vintage, very girly. So that's how I styled the room. Now moving on to this chair. This was our old chair, and what I did was just got the fabric changed. So it's like a cover. You can remove it, wash it, put it back. Very easy, very convenient. And I just placed my white fur cushion over it. Looks really nice, really cute. Now coming on to this side, so these are our blinds. Just a nice lilac color, goes with the theme. And this is my third vanity. So it's just like a vanity or just a drawer, to be very precise, and it doesn't have a mirror, it just has storage. Let me show you how I've decorated this part. So Just placed some of my Arabic fragrances, you know, like those oud fragrances, and this really nice, it's like a cupcake stand, but I use it as my vanity showpiece. Now this is something which I want to talk about. It's a new body scrub from Cupid. This one is in chocolate, and I have one more, which is this one. Let me show you guys. This is in 24 karat gold, also from a brand called Cupid. I hope you guys can see that. You guys know I love this brand so much. Few days back I did a video on their body butters, and now they have launched their 24 karat gold body scrub, and they've also launched the chocolate one. So I have started using the 24K gold because it was so tempting. First of all, let's take a moment to appreciate the packaging. It is gold. It is so stunning. I absolutely love it. Now the best thing about this body scrub is that it actually has fine gold extracts in it, 24 karat gold extracts in it. It has cocoa butter, it has walnut shell powder, and that makes an amazing body scrub, especially for winters. It really makes my skin so soft and so smooth. It also exfoliates the dead skin, so that's another thing which makes your skin so soft and smooth. I love it so much. And you know guys, when you go to parlors to get your gold facials done, and you know, take any treatment which is gold based, it's so expensive. But this particular tube is only for 499 rupees, and if you buy it online you will get it at a cheaper price of 399 rupees, which I think is a great deal, because this tube is huge and it's gonna last you a really long time. Like, I use it twice a week because it's an exfoliate, it's a scrub, so I don't use it daily, but I use it twice or thrice a week, and it's gonna really last me for more than a month. And just spending 399 rupees, or even for that matter 499 in a month for something of this quality and efficiency, it is, I think, a great deal. I love the Cupid products. I have used their body lotions. I'm currently using their body butters, and believe you me guys, like, I'll show you, I had this mark in my hand. It was so bad, it got burned, and I'm only using the Cupid's body butter, and my mark is actually fading. It's getting lighter, and it really keeps my skin nice and soft. So I just keep it by my bedside and I use it. So I highly recommend you guys to use this product, and I have placed it here because of the packaging. It is so cute and it goes so well with the theme. As you guys can see, I've used gold accents to match with the theme of my room. So I placed it here. Whenever I have to use it, I just pick it up, and once I'm done with it, I just keep it back here. So yeah, that's something which I'm recently loving for my skincare for winters. Then I have some lipsticks, a Hello Kitty, and it's a great idea guys if you have nice shopping bags. Like, I have this Victoria's Secret bag, so I just placed a flower vase inside it, and you know, some pink flowers, and just placed it in the shopping bag. I think it makes a great hack to, you know, organize your flowers or make flower arrangements, because you really don't need a special vase for it. Just use your shopping bags. I mean, they look so cute, and you can use your shopping bags like this. Then I have my unicorn diary. I got it from a local stationery toy shop, in fact, for kids. And this cute little thing, I don't know what kind of animal you are, but you're very cute. I got this from Cat Kitchen. That little photo frame also from XIMI Life Korea, which is like, you know, a Korean brand selling cute stuff. And then I got these candle holders from the wishing chair. This is such a cute tray. It has a little rabbit, little bunny. This is also from the decor cart, the wishing chair. These stores have some amazing stuff guys, must check them out. They also have their online presence, so you can surely check it out. And I just placed my earrings and then some clips and other random stuff. This was during Christmas. And then coming onto this side, I just placed this little shelf, and I placed that, you can see the photo frame. The shelf also came with that photo frame set from Amazon, and this photo frame is from the wishing chair. And yeah, I guess this is pretty much it about the room. Oh yeah, and I also got this really nice wallpaper. I got this wallpaper from Floor & Furnishing. It's also a vintage print, which I really like. And then again, a flowers and some flowers. And this makes my beauty room look like my beauty room. I love it. I come here, I just sit and relax when I feel tired or I feel just a little, I want to bust my stress. I come here like, oh yeah, I must show this to you guys. This is the set of 3 boxes. These are plastic boxes and the prints are so pretty. I got this from Big Bazaar. You guys won't believe, but Big Bazaar has some amazing stuff. Do check it out. It has so much of storage and it looks so pretty, so vintage, and so goes completely well with the theme of my room. And then here I have this cute little Pouffy. Actually, I got this from my friend. She sells it online, so she just WhatsApped me the pictures, and I have 2 of these. So one is in this print, other one is in a different print, and I really like it. You can sit on it and you can just use it the way you want. It's very sturdy. Then I have little fur mat with my fur booties, pink on pink. I just love pink accents. Yes, so this is it for my beauty room tour, you guys. I hope you like it, and on my recommendation, guys, please try the Cupid body scrub. And if you want me to review the chocolate scrub, let me know in the comments below, because I am super impressed with these products from Cupid. They are so affordable. I absolutely love it. I adore the packaging. I adore these products. I have been using it. I completely swear by it, and I'm very happy using it, and I strongly recommend you guys to try these products out for yourself. And in the comments, let me know, guys, how you liked my beauty room. I have put in a lot of effort, guys, a lot of love in making this room, organizing this room, and I'm pretty happy with the way it has turned out to be. And if you guys like this video, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, leave your comments, share this video, and feel free to ask me whatever you want to. I try and answer to as many comments as I can. And let me know in the comments that what other part of the house you want me to cover first in my home tour video series, because I'm starting it now officially. So yeah, guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy, be positive, work hard, and bye.